good. And that's roughly a story for many of us. A bit damp at the moment, significant rain Friday, not a bad weekend. Because the driving force of our weather for the next 3 days is this one here. This low, which just creeps close to us but never gets really close, does throw its fronts our way. It closes the isobar, so it's going to get windier as well. But it more or less drags everything in from the same direction, which is a bit of a problem, because what it's dragging in, actually, is rain. So for 24 hours, some places are going to see the rain start tonight and then not stop again until tomorrow night. Those places prone, southern Scotland, Northern Ireland, the hills of northern England, maybe Snowdonia, anywhere really that faces southwest and is in northern Britain. In excess of 30 millimetres, that's an inch and a bit, and that's 24 hours worth. So local flooding is possible, conditions will be horrible. It's on its way in now, not yet significant, but underneath this huge band of cloud, the rain is now streaming out of Ireland into Wales, possibly to Old Trafford. As you can see to the north, it's a different story. In fact, there's been some gorgeous sunshine in Scotland and North East England throughout the morning. It'll last throughout the afternoon with no more than the odd shower in the Highlands, I think. Northern Ireland too will probably stay dry till dusk. There's a lot of mist and murk around the coast, keeping it around about 15 degrees. The sun breaks through 17 to 19, much better anyway today than yesterday in Northern Ireland and Scotland. And it stays warm tonight for the same reason. We're capturing warm air and we're bringing it up from the near continent, mixing it with some moisture from the Atlantic and producing potential warmth, but more importantly, of course, that rain. And that's where it starts tomorrow. Over much of Scotland, down through northern England and Wales, still over Northern Ireland. A very grey start for those places where it's not raining. And even though the sun is strong, it'll be hard pushed to burn holes in that cloud. Now, where it does, this is the warmth I wanted to promise you yesterday. I had to tone it down, but where the sun comes through, it'll still be warm and humid. The rain will tend to ease off anyway as it edges into the Midlands. Northern Ireland a bright end of the day. Scotland probably largely wet except in the far west. Now, here's the potential. We could see a 25, but it's more likely 21 or 22. For most places it'll be a dull day despite the humidity. But the weekend does promise far better for most, possibly the exception of the southwest.